Bac My A Market in Da Nang is a haven for foodie-holics. It's a flea market, a farmer's market, and it's where you can buy avocado ice cream. Okay, this is the market in Vietnam. Wow, very nice. Oh, this is the place she told me.
City of mine, how I love the city.
This is the
of
fabric
mine.
side. I didn't know.
It never gets me down. City of
They need a little stitch. I'm here to get them stitched. This place here is known for their avocado ice cream. I guess I better try it. Bac My A Market in Da Nang, Vietnam is a haven for foodie-holics. I came to taste the popular avocado ice cream. Avocado is a beloved Vietnamese ice cream flavor, especially in Da Nang. You can also have your avocado ice cream served in a glass. I chose the takeaway option. Behind the avocado booth, you have an entire meat market. This cost me 20,000 Vietnamese dong, which is 82 cents. Let's give it a try. I love the coconut chips. It's a unique dessert with a creamy texture and subtle avocado flavor. I don't like the chunks of ice, and the flavor was bland. I'm going back for the delicious coconut chips. This is all the meats back here in the market. Hello.
Hi.
Hi.
Hi. Hi. Không có hả? Không. Có.
We stopped at Milano Coffee Shop.
This is graviola. This is an anti-cancer fruit that has been prohibited in the United States. This is a must. You should consume one of these fruits once a day.
Okay.
In order for you to avoid growing cancer cells in your body.
Oh, wow. Okay. I'll give it a try. You say it's similar to soursop?
Similar to soursop, from the soursop family.
Okay, great.
Excellent nutritional value. A+.
A+. Okay, we're going to try it.
Yes, gotta do it.
Okay. It looks like I can't describe the flavor. It's sweet. It tastes like something familiar, but I can't describe it. It's a subtle sweet taste. It's pleasant. It's not bad at all, but I can't describe it. Oh, look at that squid. Oh, looks good.
Yeah, like 2 seconds, and then like you just use I use a LumaFusion, but they also have.
Oh, really? Okay.
So I try like pick one. But this is
You got to get the one with the clamp. Some of them don't have
right.
clamps in
So I was
it.
like, wait a minute, this one.
So this one right here.
Oh, this one. Okay. And this one. Well, we don't have forks, so. Oh, it is a little spicy, right? It's good.
Dầu mix chuối chút. Chuối vào đây. Cho riêng mix banana.
She's like, girl, that stuff gonna melt. You need to hurry. Oh my God. Because of Crystal.
No.
No, that is
it's
you.
because we were together.
No, I have never had the...
Is that why you was looking so?
Yes.
You were like, am I being bumped?
I have never had the experience where Asians come up and ask for a picture and like they took about 100 trying to get our Facebook and everything. It wasn't because of me. That don't happen to me. That was because of this beauty. No.
It's because we were together. I'm telling you. Look, I'll show you.
No. It's because of Crystal. I don't never have that happen. I get the little Asian men who be like, hey.
Yeah, that Asian man was looking at you trying to get. He said something. What did he say? Mushu or something? Doing with his hands. And I was like,
And then
trying to get some mushu.
you got the caravan.
Stop it.
You got the caravan coming up.
I thought it was because we were together because I was like, this hasn't happened to black
No.
people because
It's because of you.
I'm gonna show
You Nubian princess, goddess, no. It ain't good to me.
I'm serious.
Oh my, that's the first time I've ever experienced that in my life. And I travel solo and I have
Black
never.
people say this happened. They say like, oh yeah, people stare, and then they say like, oh, can I take a picture?
No, they did, didn't they? They did.
They always.
I mean,
I'm
that
trying to
happened
find
when we
the
were
video.
in Paris. That happened to us, but that was a whole group. We
It
were.
probably won't play because I don't have internet.
Oh, okay.
But it's right here.
I'm Rome in Vietnam with a superstar. I gotta watch myself.
No, I'm trying to.
The Dragon Bridge is a must-see every Saturday and Sunday at 9 o'clock. The road closes and the dragon breathes fire and spews water. The crowd is hyped, cheering, and it's really a good time. The show lasts 15 minutes. These are 2 fun markets to check out when you're in Da Nang. If you've enjoyed this video, be sure to like, subscribe, and share. Until next time, peace.